Hello, guys. Kosi Ojosi here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Rachel Kolisi. We all know Rachel Kolisi as a wife. Siya Kolisi. Lwadlala rugby. Siyamati sonke captain we-rugby. So recently ngiyakhumbula guys kwavakala amahemhem ukuthi bayadivosa. Sayithola thina bomkhosi ukuthi no vele bayadivosa cobo. So indzaba ye-divorce ivakale last year. You all remember last year na ukuthi vele bayadivosa. So Rachel Kolisi was i-CEO. Niyangiva guys, bekayi-CEO yatuke Kolisi Foundation. So bathi recently uthi Rachel yena lapha emsebenzini ICEO khona tino betingasahambi kahle bebasiba mistreater just because so divorce na manina siya. So she had to ukuthi resign. Akaka resign because bekafuna kushiya emsebenzi wakhe. Resign due to le environment, le treatment lebe bamniketa yona kuphi lapha emsebenzini wakhe. Njengoba seka divorce na Siya Kolisi. Oh, by the way, le organization bathi idila nge education, gender based violence whatsoever, but yena bese kahlukubeteka. So wabathathu wathi boom ecourt, boom CCMA. So yet salinze statement say Kolisi Foundation ukuthi bona bathini ngalama allegation lawa Rachel awashoko ngabo. Njengoba indzaba Rachel 25 March 2025 uyithathe wayifaka ka CCMA une-proof yonke ukuthi vele abakamtreat kahle. She was forced ukuthi resign ku-position yakhe as a CEO ku-Kolisi Foundation. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see my next video. Ciao. Bye for now. Love you.